Some people, I have about 3 live to share with you know. See, the first one I go share with you know, are some woman, me not really know them like that. You see me, I say, them did I discuss Ivan situation and all of the things them what she do leading up to that, including the catch up with she and how your mother catch up. And she tell how your mother all different sort of things. Then Lady P now, and some people did in a fear box and talk about the same Ivan situation and what Ivan could have done different, including what she go wrong with Owie and how Owie could have helped her in a major way, and she kind of messed that up. You see me I say? And the girl her name, what's she name again? Unforgettable something on that. Where I talk to the DJ youth. So she take to the internet to address some people who I say she moved back to Jamaica for watch her man and them something there. Boy, people should go hard. You know what I mean? So we're gonna get into the females them a talk about Ivani situation. You know what I mean? And then we move on to the rest of them.
But I want to feel for your son Ivan the on the next phone live. And the people that might listen to him comment upon the live. And the lady said, I don't call it to argue with you. All I call it about is the baby. Just to find out what's going on with the baby. Do you need shot of anything? Ivan said, if me even shot anything, I don't want it. Woman, BBC.
I was watching that live. It was very sad.
You know, yes. Pick up yourself. Woman, me hear this. Woman, me hear that. Me don't want to pampas. I say shot at this. I say shot at nothing. I have TikTok aunties, uncles, and TikTok this and that. And he start. And Mr. Ivan did this, that woman. Oh my God.
Yes.
And the woman said, I'm not cursing with you. I'm just talking with you. And she said, give me an address because I'm going to order some wipes and pampers and Amazon and send it to you. Ivan, they must give him the address and Ivan, they call him back and say, if you ever send none, come here, say, woman. Ivan, bring her down. And trust me, the woman is so respectable. She don't answer, she don't cuss with Ivan, all she depend. I'm not worrying with you. Can I see my grandbaby? When can I come and visit him? Ivan, care, Ivan, hey. Ivan rub that woman in me for say no, so look girl I'm mad. She not sensible. She mad.
Why you have sleepless night?
Anybody can find guys, they make me see it and me not hear about it, but me never really see that part. Guys, they make me see it and me not hear about it, but me never really see that part.
Nobody
Anybody can go back and then click and see it. Who have two
Nobody
from
not have sleepless nights up here.
You guys remember the live she did when she said Destiny wanted to do whatever he wanted to do with the baby.
She's on herself. So when time she put out whatever out there, when people report, repeat with them say, "Una have attitude, uno go away."
Good night, Your Honor. Good night, Your Honor. Good night, everybody else.
Good night.
Good night. Good night.
Good night,
yeah.
Beauty. Sorry I was late.
Yet.
Me no fuck me like
anything you get, any report.
Hard working, strong citizen. So me have all right enough. Hard working, strong citizen. Me no live off at tap. Me no live off of nobody. Me no beg nobody nothing. Me work hard for me hard. Where?
There's a test in the chat.
Uno.
No.
Now I'm gonna say you want people free down like when I bull, but go.
Melissa.
Yeah.
Did you remember the live she did when she was talking about what Destiny wanted to do with the baby? Do you remember that live?
Yes.
No, ma'am.
Listen, Melissa, that live was so distasteful. I had to run off it. The thing she was saying about her child.
Me comfortable in my bed with my book in front of me.
So the fact that people is defending her because we're having these conversations.
Oh, I didn't even see these messages. Let's have a look here. I don't like people be same there with me and talk stupid. I beg you, please. You want to come voice your opinion? Because you make me think of myself when I look for a while ago me talk about. Come here, wonder when me listen something, them something here.
All right. All right.
I know I didn't say these things. I'm like, when did I say that? But there's another tester in the chat
I
saying,
want to in the chat, yeah. I know you, man. I want to in the chat, yeah. Damn bright.
All right, ladies.
Yeah.
I like one like them want
Get
to
to
prefer that.
the case now. Get to the case. Wait,
All
gentle
right.
people.
I
Yeah,
was
just
on a
come
live.
up.
I was on a live earlier with me not even like call nobody name. But me have a call. Bling
use
bling.
initial.
Bling bling. The one with two gemstone.
Alright, so people, the situation with Ivan and our mother, that situation they did kind of mess up. You understand? And me feel like say Ivan right there, so did wrong in her way because she used the son fat and fry the mother because she and the son no deal or whatever. Maybe she feel like say the son and the mother in a cahoots and them want bring her down. You understand me I say? Me can't wrong her for things so still. You see, because it's a possibility. But she should have give the mother the benefit of the doubt and deal with her and see if she are come in a good faith. You understand me I say? Than if you go off and say what she say. You see me? So that in itself kind of even help Owie to be more what I say you know, that even drive him more for and take the youth from she. Me just sorry them could have come together and be amicable and co-parent. You understand?
I have a next one. We usually cock up in a dance and skin out. I think you know who it is. We start with D.
Yeah.
I've joined the live and it was so distasteful because they must say no what Ivan do, she no wrong.
You see, they're enablers.
And them
Those are the enablers.
bling bling say true she dey on the live and people at correct her. She have to come off of the live because she support her no matter what. So at the end of the day, no, she can't do no wrong for none of them. And then Daima, me I call the people them name. That one day,
Call name. It doesn't matter.
Daima, she
You know, disrespect them.
take up the argument on her head. So I'm saying a lot of grown women are over the live and even some I'm not gonna how would I say it? Some people will take it up on their head. And I say yes, the girl right. At the end of the day, some sort when me see they put up all the something where she talk about destiny, she a laugh, destiny to her pitney one, this and that. She a laugh. She a laugh. Cause me see the light, me see part of
yes, it was distasteful.
she a got sitting there for destiny con Nyamo team, whatever pitney. Me can't talk because me have to break it up in a
It's true.
Right. We understand.
And she opened his leg.
She hold up the baby for time.
Yeah. It was distasteful. I had to come off it. I'm like, oh my God, I actually run off the live. I couldn't believe she's doing that to her child.
It's already so whenever Vanny come out, whenever she get a chance to get access to a phone where she can go live, we all will hear about all of who in favor of her now. She got bite off them.
Yeah, we're going to hear about them.
So I want to ask you ladies a question. Who right here to really believe Ivania touch back road at America?
I don't know who really so delusional and coming. That's so stupid. The teacher and then she not
Yeah, them have to think about the guy's safety.
Everybody say, oh, she'll come out. We will see.
Tessa, how much snap you watch with woman lay with man and kill them?
And simpler things, less than what Ivan do, then get life and so much years for, much less. And she done up document.
You said the D word.
So what she make the threat what she make with always she go do him that can charge her 20 years.
Hey, you hear me say the girl say? The girl until there
was the D word. You said the D.
Long years in prison, man.
You said the D word over upon the live. Come go over the my next one. You said the D word. She don't know better and you have to see with she know. Cause remember she take fair TikTok money and send her friend go give boy in the US and she live in Jamaica, you know.
Alright, Ella Spice.
I have to see with the D word.
She
don't know better.
Ella Spice, who in Jamaica, who are threatening our life. Why you guys keep saying she's not safe in Jamaica? Is there a ways cause her not safe in Jamaica? If that's the case, why no I say she not safe in Jamaica? Who are one gunman just go see her and trouble her? People just go see her and trouble her. So?
I dem a tell that was a long time. Then shoot off her. But you know, here she say when they shoot off her, she come back the same night and say, "Oh
I
no,
said,
no,
you can't even shoot.
Right, same so. Same so. And she said, jail can't change her, gunshot can't change her, nothing not gonna change her. So if somebody's boasting like that, what you expect? And then crowbait you come and go and want find out people.
The thing is, they're saying she's coming out soon, but they're over there live doing all these extra stuff. They don't. First of all, the guy on the
So
interview
there's
with
a true
Vegas
and
that
living
said,
God, and no man not too powerful for God.
well,
Yeah,
I know.
no man
Well, I
not
know.
powerful
But
more
the guy
than
who did the lawyer who did the interview with Vegas, remember he said the first thing immigration or any once you go before the law, the first thing they do is check your platform, whichever platform you're on. They look for the things you're doing, and they're not looking for the one good deed or the two good deed you've done. They're looking for the one that stands out.
All right, now Kotono. Ella, you again. Do you know that female lesbians in Jamaica, and I can't call her a lesbian because she's having sex, is a bisexual. You're gonna say she claims she's a lesbian. She is not a lesbian because she's having intercourse with a man. So it would more be bisexual. In Jamaica, they more lick up on the man them than the woman them because
That's
people
true.
do business with woman when it come on to them whatever.
That a true still, you know what I mean? Because the man them say them prefer the woman them more like woman, you see me? But you have woman where take with themselves from Jamaica gone a different country like even in a Europe and something, and them get them things sorted out because them a say boy them not straight, and you see me, them no want live in the country because in a Jamaica, yeah, woman and woman can deal with them one another, and you see me I say nobody no really mess with them, but them still want feel free in a way. You see me I say, but me no know if no woman say them like woman or whatever, and them now stay at them place, them want go on different place, country go live, and them get them things sorted out. Me no know if none, but Ivan never, I know that Ivan they go say, you see me, at the shot where she get shot, or that she use, you see me, and me understand enough of the people them we sympathize with her, we are rally up, and I say this and I say that, and I try raise this and raise that, and you know what I mean, but you are gonna have people out there who she hurt, and you can't tell them say don't them not fi talk them truth. You know what I mean? And you are gonna have people out there where not really like her because of the things them what she do, and you can't stop them from talk what them say, you know what I mean? Because I don't know lie them come tell upon her. So you have to just sympathize with her, yes, and just leave other people. You see me I say, I make them do whatever and say whatever them want to say. Me I talk about the blinger situation where them I say blinger and dimer. I say, you know what I mean, them I talk like Ivan never do nothing, and them way them. Me know say most of the people them, even people who don't like her, sympathize with her situation and would like to see she free up. You know what I mean? But in the meantime, them talk about some of the things them what she do. And you can't tell a person say nothing to talk about it. You understand? But would I love to see she free up and learn her lesson for even the youth sake. You see me I say, because the youth want him mother. He need both parents, but right now in a younger age, him need him mother mostly. You see it?
But they didn't believe that story. That is why she was in there for so long and she couldn't get anybody to take her out. That's how Nikki Blackseed come up with this lady to take her out. And then she turned against the lady and cuss off the woman and everything and videoing at the woman house all kind of something.
Melissa, do you remember that this young lady when they're supposed to do the paternity test, she didn't show up for court. They're not thinking about that.
Right. What are you hiding?
She didn't show up for court. Another thing, what she says she's gonna move. She said, me go pack up all of them and move. And every time you file, me go just move. So you go, when you come up here and file, me go move, go so, and then you have to go back down there so file and me go move. She directly said she wanted to do it.
So that's right. I show them say she's a flight risk.
Yes, she is.
So she make it bad for herself.
Even me, I still get jury duty. And whenever I get jury duty, I make sure to put in my phone for a reminder because I do not want to miss that date. You understand? And that's just a simple jury duty. So for miss our court date intentionally,
that's being disrespectful, right? Against the state. And then she come on live and brag about it.
Remember, she's a Yankee, no? She's a bad Yankee, no?
I forget. Sorry. Thanks for correcting me.
She's a bad Yankee.
Listen, she not have no excuse. Everything. She this girl a video everything. Like, come on.
But you guys see, after she went by this station because she knows that she gonna get locked up, you know. She know, and that's why she go pack up the baby. So when she go figure pack up the baby, she let him give somebody because she thinks she could have banned out herself. And then realize she come back and she twist all of this story them around and around and around.
Yeah, and I talk about you put out ban for me and something and a ban for ban.
You see the property, you see the something about the property, whatever, you know, say, I know Owe.
No, it's the hut, is where she was living.
Door where when she go down there, she lick up the people in door. Is the door and it was on the video camera. The door at the apartment door.
Not only
it's
that,
not
she could now say
the door.
Oh, we are on thing they.
So she come back and twist her story. Yeah, where she tell them, say to you know, she say, and him, do it for him and Karen I tell him, me stab her for her and something. That time nothing no goes. I miss about that girl a lie. She's me stab her for her and that then can me go court for figure lock me up because of that she on our planet. Nothing. Because you see she there court now. You let me tell you something. You see, even if Owen like how Owen never want to lock her up. Because they have the warrant out for when she did figure out the court and she never go, a lot of people has been reporting her. And then she did even got thief perfume to never see the rap sheet where when the thief the perfume from out at the store. So she have a long rap sheet there and people been reporting her because even Owie did say at one time, remember you have a lot of felony in other county because even at the apartment, people they never used to like her because she used to make PA nice at the place and something and the people they used to complain about all of those kind of something too. And then she keep on a bad carrying straight every minute. She put dick picture upon the pitney daughter. Right. So all of those things, remember when time she did call even CPS and make false report, you know, and the girl, you know, false report. And then she
bragged and said it was a false report.
Exactly. So she been doing a lot. She had do too much, man. God
to be sure you our followers don't use them brain.
Them dumb.
If you say somebody, if me file a report to somebody stab off of me, wouldn't it be attempted murder or assault or aggravative assault, something like that? Why it would have been them simple something there? If that is a threat. Now say it's simple enough, but it would be threat because it's not a threat. You stab off of somebody is not a threat. You're doing the physical action. No, them don't use them brain for say, all right, then that girl I tell lie, that girl here, I tell lie.
Back of the class, them not a subject.
No, just imagine, right? She thought she could have gone down there and then afterwards bail herself out and it didn't work out in her favor. Now these people have her phone. You know, if they tell her to open the phone, she have to open the phone.
Exactly.
So nobody don't even know because I understand that they have charges that they're holding back.
Yeah, because
So
I'm on
the
zero
phone, you
zero.
know, remember said them
Remember,
themselves
it's on zero zero.
nobody don't know how serious the situation is, because if you have my phone and my phone have messages in there that can, you know, look bad on me.
Antoinette, me nah stop you. Hold on. Me did depend on live and one woman get a call from somebody, some link she have, and the person, the person say part or something seal. I don't know if you have to
Okay, you
deal
see the
with
same thing I said? Maybe that's the
So let me interject with people. What I want to do wrong and me blame our friend where make you find all your address is for God you yard and go mash up him car and go mash up the whatever the property or whatever. Although the car the mother have that as property also. You see me I say that are the part, and me know say most of what she do is out of emotion. You understand? Women are emotional creatures. You understand me? So most of what she do is out of emotions. And me not think Owie did really want to do her nothing. And when he reached to the point when him see say boy, she now go make him see the youth, and that when him start do them thing yeah. And it can get worse than what it is already, you know, people. Yes, it can get worse because Twep bring our name gas station, you know, in a New York, you know, more than one time, you know. So if them dig up and find all them there's something there, it a go worse upon her. And remember, you're going out of the country if you try if you know what I mean, escape whatever you say you want to escape, and then you're in the country and so much things. It's like me feel like say boy she mother say she lose a screw or whatever, because me not think there's no way you can just go on pan a part where you see me a destructive part, you go down the part there, and if people try to tell you no, don't go down that part there, it's like you know want them friendship because you're determined to do whatever you do. You see me? And it reach to a level where it a go catch up on you. And when it catch up on you, everything just a go, you know what I mean, come bungle up. You see me? So right now the situation where she, you know, it's sticky. You see me? It's very sticky. It's very sticky.
so long.
So the some part of our record seal, so nobody can see it. You can't go upon it. But you know for the soldier woman, but you can't see it online. That is seal. Only the person them who are deal with it can see it. So what we can see,
It's too much, man. She was going on
So
too.
nobody she's there so long.
If the day before Ivan go court,
Everyone
before Ivan can himself, Ivan make a video and say he must spend much in here. Is it up on the internet enough for Owie? Yeah, him say he must spend much in here as a prison, ready for him do him things and go to prison, go spend time for it. So him out to kill him.
no,
okay, so they want to say the guy, the Jamaican men want to say the guy a punk because he's afraid of his life. So him life not important. Him want important because
So it look like the life gets shaky, my people.
Always been posting pictures with Owie and put it up like she and my family and whatever just to make
and she
Karina
the one
jealous.
in a big problem.
Right, just to make Karina jealous. So, and that day now, when she put up something. So then Owe was in the living room there with the baby on his chest, and she go around there and I make problem with him. At that time, when Karina did put up something and he was trying to call her about it, and then she come, give me my baby, go on where
With the
you
knife.
baby. And then afterwards, she have pull him and him and say, no, don't draw the baby like that. He's sleeping. Let me put him down. Let me put him down. Then she come with one knife. Then here with the liar girl say on one live, and our people then tell her say, because they say, say
Patrice, hold on.
draw the knife after she. And the boy was live what we could have seen. And then she plan afterwards. Figure say, the boy did draw a knife after she. Oh, him fi draw a knife when him did have the baby the whole time. Him can't draw a knife and have the baby in her hand and you over the kitchen part.
The baby was laying on his chest, so he was actually laying down.
Exactly. So
And you see them spreading the narrative, all the young man pan coke. You saw them terrible?
I was on down live that day when that woman come on.
They say, oh, we want the baby for 4 months. We live out for him baby on TikTok
That's
because
stupidness.
TikTok and mind the baby.
Stupidness.
I am
Oh,
sure
we
that
want the
baby
baby
can get
for him
all of
on
the
TikTok for make money. And
I
him
am
nah give up the baby without a fight.
Honey, honey, you know what is sad about, this? You see, most of those ladies, or maybe all of them, I don't quote me on this, but I believe it's all of them. They're all single, bitter baby mothers.
And alright, there's some here end up party with people, but where the woman them are say on the live, yeah, some are accurate, you know what I mean, right? You see me? It only people are gonna feel a way about it in the sense say Ivan lock up and them a talk about some of the things them what she do. You see me? But people are gonna have discussion and the discussion them now gonna be all good. You understand? There's nobody in this world that everybody like. You see me? And me not gonna say them woman ya hate her. You see me? They maybe just a talk about the whole situation and I point out some of the things them what she do cause her for in the situation where she in. You understand? Everybody now go talk good, but especially if you have a track record of doing bad stuff. You see me? But you all at this war Gwaan, I hope say she get free up if you come take care of her youth. You see me? And as I said before, if she did just make the youth seem pitney, it wouldn't reach you so because me not think that this youth here did want to do this. But maybe him see the situation and she say, yo, she now make me see me youth, so that's why me I go do this. You see me? And Ivan he come on live and she talk a lot of things and some of the things them where she said them are use pan her right now. You see me? Jano. I just hope say she learn from this and some of the time you see people they on live and them act a certain type of way and way. Some of the time that them use to kinda gain fans and draw people to them. Because at any given time you can find Ivan live almost 1,000 people upon it. If not over or a little bit under upon her live. Enough of the people them like her. Some people just wait for the drama start. You see me, them have her as entertainment. You see me I say? And she use them also because she give them liquor away them want and chill sometime, then give them liquor away them want, so she keep them coming back all the time. And that a fear niche what she find, cause one of the time, people never did to go over her live, because Brit did the live most of the time and everybody over Brit because of the drama them love, so them run gone with the drama there. Till one of the time them say she not like Brit and them way there and them something there. You see me? So everybody kinda have them little way off draw people towards them. People love drama. People love passa. Them are going to follow the drama. So we are going to go over to Lady P, you know, because some people up on Lady P live and them attack some things with people and want to hear what them attack say, because some of what them attack only if Ivan did, you know what I mean, do them things, yeah, should in a better situation. You see me?
Because your man sex, that means say we want you. A man can't sex so because you let go the pussy man no me say my relationship.
Our ways run away from around our rear. Our bad ways then run away.
I met this happen, so no, sir.
As she are the cause of the problem when she and always fall out.
It could have been sweet. They could have been together. You get me? He could have married and get her papers because what? Him did check for her, but she come disrespect him too much time for the internet and make up batty in this. Put out him penis. Come on, my God, I'm a human being. I'm not picking up for him, but there was no relationship. The relationship done in a few weeks.
You know what? Honestly speaking, I remember years ago, somebody told Ivani she needed an older man and not all of these little boys. Honestly speaking, if she go back in a relationship, she don't need no more of them little boys. She needs somebody to help she grow.
But Tony,
she needs somebody to help her motivate. She needs somebody
you know,
to
say Ivani is smart. In your Ivani did smart. In your Ivani did smart. She get Owie. She get Owie as a city, so Ivani would use the TikTok money and some fight Owie and get the papers. She not smart. She should have been some fight Owie with the TikTok money and get the papers.
That's what me I try to say.
But it look like the only papers she want is a...
Me I try get my thing together, honestly.
I'm married. Me say I'm married. Me tell me say Ivani married. Push marriage. She laugh after me. Say your marriage a work out. Me say Vawa did there. Vawa is there. As long as you're married and you can show say your marriage real. Push marriage.
Propose to all the boy.
But that's the thing, you know. So funny. A lot of us in the game. And when it comes down to relationship and the man find a next woman or whatever, it's a game. May the best player win, but a lot of women don't understand how to play the game.
Somebody said crossing the border cancel getting married. No, that's a lie. You still can get married after you cross. Gwaan,
shut up, you can't do everything when you cross the border. That's how you get a
married in any country you go. Go and Google it, my love.
It's in you that me that said to me.
Because I researched it and the lawyer tell me that you can get married whether you come through border, yes or no. You can get married. They can waive it.
But anyways, that girl got a bar.
People then get them parole and then come through the border.
Just one God for touch her now and make it change for ice.
She's a purpose and she will come back over and over.
Go and ask Google if you can get married while if you come if you do asylum, if you came to
no, me know somebody will married and get
married. You know, make you come out for your baby and try change, you know.
I think you can report asylum case.
There's a waiver. Hold on guys, too many people talking. There's a waiver. When you get married and come to the border, you can do a waiver.
Lady P, let me explain it that part the tone. Guys,
yeah, explain it.
Can I read up everything?
Yes.
Guys, when I come through the border, you have something near I-94. Some get it are parole. Parole are same as landing as when you come on a plane. So when you walk and go through the border, you gotta get your parole. You understand? That is a paper you use and show immigration. So you come in at the country legally. You understand?
But you don't get I-94 when they come through the border.
Not I-94, parole. My parole. I-94 are when you come in a plane. Parole. Same as I-94 and the parole are same thing.
No, it's not the same thing. It's a little bit different, but it varies.
Actually,
they have a waiver for it though.
Yeah.
When you land in and you get married, they have a waiver. There's something that guys call a waiver that you can do.
Don't make nobody tell us that you come through the body, you can't marry. They say if Ivani did have her head on her body, she would have used her TikTok money and some fire away and sweet up away and get the papers out of him. She don't have no sense. Big idiot girl that on the internet. So anything catch her, she will take it. I just ice my sorry for.
But King, when you're in a foreign country and you don't know nobody not advise you or show you the local rules, it seems like
no, but at the end of the day, the woman, remember say Ivani did in a detention for almost 9 months, you know, and the woman would say,
you know, so
that bail are the right word.
But
the woman will petition or the woman must petition for Ivani or affidavit or something for Ivani. Sponsor, yeah. Ivani disrespect the woman and the woman withdraw the sponsor, so Ivani don't have no sponsor in the United States. So you see the address where we use as a sponsor, she don't have an address. So from them time they then say I want Ivan because she don't have no sponsor.
It's like how she had briefed all because immigration will probably say all the marriage are fraud because you got married so quick.
Wanna see the video? Wanna see the video with the Mexican girl? Wanna see the video with the Mexican girl?
Hello, Mr. Madagi, oh,
No,
150
what video
grand
is that?
help me out. Hello, Yankee love money, you know. You keep buying 150 grand. Being father already, so it's 50 grand help me out.
Of course, she could have get it. She could have more than get the papers. Ivan in her think, be a foolishness, she a think for do. Be a foolishness.
Yeah, man, now for that your man help you, know. You
You
breathe
have
through
one
that
video.
man. You give man 50 grand that tattoo. What
You
them
have
want
one
me
video.
no me no care papers me a look.
You have one video. We are go viral since she get locked up. The video go viral. Let me explain how the video go. I don't know if nobody in the comments see the video. So this girl come through the border with her mother. France, she a picnic. You know the Spanish them come through as picnic. 3-year-old, 2-year-old through the border. Right? So the girl come through the border and it's like she there till she reach 30 odd. She not get no papers. You understand? You know most of Spanish, then them now win asylum. Through they not speak the language, sometimes they never go forward for no asylum. You know say after 1 year, if you not file no asylum, you not go get no asylum. You can't win an asylum.
That's why they might take away VAWA, so I say Spanish, them that
So,
pay VAWA then they know. That's why
so the girl there,
let them come into the VAWA.
she there till she get 5 pitney. Pitney them a city, so the 5 of them a citizen. So she get in an abusive relationship and she had a fraud. And she had one heap of illegal activities and police are lock her up till she get felony charge and something. So it's like she and her baby father fight and the baby father go report her and something cause them they want her. You understand? So them hold on pan her and something have her for must say 2 days in a lockdown. And then them trick her and tell her say, okay ma'am, you're gonna get released by the next 48 hours. So in the meantime, please sign this documentation until your lawyer gets here. You know what she signed? The removal documentation. So you know what she say? By the next day, she in a one plane and go to Mexico. Mexico then go left her. She say 1 year she in a Mexico stranded and I see her pitney them. 1 year until she dead and she got bill life. Right now she's a millionaire in a Mexico rich. She have about 500,000 followers on TikTok and she get all 5 are American citizens. Pitney them to live with her Mexico. And she say, yeah. So me I tell her say you having a baby, no do nothing. You know cut no dash. And people are talk about say, oh, I want it. So when we do all of them something and things, them I go say Ice, hello. Member say Ice favor Owie. And even if you don't favor Owie, you have something called deoxyribonucleic acid, DNA. Once we have the DNA and the two of them match, you might go get the pitney.
You know, so one time pinch I say, I want a piece man if you marry the idiot girl and if you not work it to the VAWA. If she come on the life, come. Where boy name? Take J. Where boy name? She come say what a girl can chat. She come on the life, come say to say, here Zay. Me can't pay for marriage when done.
Marriage fraud. You're marriage fraud. Yeah.
And people, all of them attack saying, say she fi do this and she fi do that. She not fi do nothing illegally, you know. You see me I say because she and the youth meet and them did have a cool, you know what I mean? You just say friendship car. Me don't feel like it did reach relationship yet in a way. But them have a cool vibes are Gwaan. I get to know each other. You understand me I say? And if she did just kinda, you know what I mean, humble because remember 2 different culture, you know. Them different. So you have to take time to learn him and him have to take time to learn you. You see me? And eventually maybe it would have reached that part they were lock in together and you know say boy me could just tie the knot whatever. You see me? And do it naturally and truthfully because them get a youth together and if them want to build a life together them can just build a life together. You understand? But maybe because the relationship that Ivan been in, you know what I mean, is always like always troubling and vibes are going in it. So it like say she used to that little thing there. So the least little thing, you know what I mean, she no understand say you can talk it over with the person where you deal with it. You know if you flare up and cussing now if you go on. because we not get to learn each other. So you can talk it over and say, yo, that way you do, me not like that, you know. You understand? But maybe she not used to that. And the point where they must say she should date older guys, that can be something that she can try though. Because an older person I got been through certain things in a relationship and kind of teach her as she go along. You understand me? I say when she find a person where, you know what I mean, she will listen to and then we teach her the right way. And people keep on and say she young. She big enough to understand the world, you know what I mean, and what comes with certain things. It's just enough for the people them with it in our corner. We feel like say them steer her the wrong way. And it's all because them no want to lose our friendship. Yes, so me I say them don't want to lose our friendship, so them agree with her when she do the wrong thing them. I not tell her say, you know me don't feel like if you do that because it a go end bad. And me can't believe say you have big women where really in her life and she will listen to them. And before them tell her say, yo, don't do that, knowing her status and all of these things. Them encourage her, enable her and them way there for she reach in the situation that she's in right now. Me not like that. You understand? So what's some more?
Girl, you're marriage
You
fraud.
can't come on TikTok and talk that.
You know, say if she come on TikTok come talk that and the people them find out she'll never get not even
You
asylum.
can't come on TikTok and talk that.
A straight removal she are going at you. One thing convict you for doing something there. You can't get no papers.
Because some remote them too light. Me can't make the pay a man married because my mouth too light. That's make them come sex up my whole and give me papers for love. You can't talk them sitting there. You can't talk them sitting there on the line. They go say, hey, me can't pick myself watch a girl your mouth too light.
You know who I next one we are gonna get fucked to? King and Shay. Him come and him talk everything I hope him can talk wine life in a danger in a Jamaica. Cause when people tell them the truth, then say people bad mind.
Everything them say a bad mind.
Everything them say a bad mind. King and Shay are the next one. Me don't want to say them not go get no asylum coming on. Nobody come for me, come chop off my head, but at the rate where King and Shay go, then forgot to them popular and them a content creator immigration and watch them. Immigration and watch them here. Cause immigration is a big field. And you have people employed just for watch social media.
It's normal people like me and you do immigration.
Exactly, and do the investigation. But tell a man say immigration investigate not for the asylum case them at Jamaica.
You King the ranking, the first thing when the run for company plane and everything. In video everything when I come to the bar.
King and Shay, a big YouTuber, the two of them could have come in America and nobody knows how the border them come through.
But let's just remote and we want to
the two of them could have come through the border and nobody knows how the border them come through and them get them paper rates and everything and people never know say Mexico. Enough people come through the border and not tell us
my man them sex because my mouth like my love. When you mouth like down to certain things.
Feel content creator. I never go talk when me come through. The only that see me a foreign and I wonder when me come through.
Exactly, I a content creator. That's why enough people I wonder if the guy will get money. The content creator will get in papers like a Jamaica where they wonder if a bad and come try a visa.
So sleep private, nobody knows.
Exactly.
Nobody know nothing about him if I do this. That's it's the king. Everywhere I'm not talk about my case on TikTok anymore. Me keep my mouth shut. Me not talk about me I do. Me not talk about green card. Me leave it alone. Me can't talk about me. Me let green card out because certain things of talk on social media can hate them up here.
Exactly.
That's everybody talk about princess where them just say black them.
Look on Swissley.
Bad eyes watch.
The whole of them have the impression say asylum Swissley. I look, see the boy get him in green card and go back to Jamaica. They take the internet out of your rascal immigration business.
Everybody I wonder, everybody shocky.
You can't do immigration and have the internet in your business.
Everybody shocky.
Wait till you get the result of bringing the internet.
I learned that the hard way. Me can learn, but on social media, I will say social media is not a replacement. Me contact my green card story. I stop myself, Father God. Them now, me not tell them when they come, me just block them. That is not your business. What me I do. When them I do this, I do that.
We yesterday the piece say Yankee love money. Oh, we look like he love money. Ivan could have buy the marriage.
Listen, Tony, Ivan could have been some fight away. Ivan could
I'm
have
gonna tell
big
her
buy
when
out
you're a
Owie.
friend and she come back and come talk to you on live to say, but say, me can't marry the PS murder and then we go to vow like lady PM, watch a girl can chat. Well, so me glad me marriage them a real marriage, you know, cause my friend them would have come sing me. If me ever pay a man for my friend would have sing me, not ask Christ, cause they chat too much. Cause me close for them, go talk about live. Me say if my marriage me fake, me say my friend them would have sing me. I said to her, I said, I want to pay somebody to help you up, girl. Immigration, so I can't get married free. I said, immigration can't go for marriage as long as I can't prove your marriage with my granddad. She come for life, going to was say, I can't pay for marriage, no, the vow. I said, what a girl can't chat on the life.
America is a
Alright,
family
there you
country,
go. You
so
see,
it,
Nah
same
lie,
thing
me
when me
never
I
not go
say
make
she
always
had.
sleep so me not get nothing, so.
You see, same thing when me I say she had nobody to relate to. She had nobody for ask for advice. Nobody for, even though you give her that bit of information, she needed more information. But instead of saying to you how it work at XYZ to you, go in detail
Girl,
in
that's
it.
true, man. Marriage not work out. Everybody thinks I don't know nothing. What that marriage request, I know as long
But
as me
see,
get
when
her
me did
for
for them at first, on the live at night time, me did like that, cause me I say, at least Lady P have little sense with a leader in our country. Honestly.
Jano, the little girl you just need somebody. You know, in a foreign country, you don't have nobody to guide you and show you certain ropes, so that's supposed to add.
Yeah.
Thank you. You can see, you can marry and drop the asylum and get a waiver. That most people don't know. When you come in America, you're gonna be the country, do your research. That's why my first marriage, me not get no papers because I never know about vow. I never do no research. You get me? Do your research, call lawyer, ask question, and immigration I can call and talk
you
to
don't
people.
need to call no liar, cause liar, them a go charge you. All you need to do,
There are
come
some
on
free liar.
TikTok.
Hello, Google them
No,
don't
you
charge
have
me
free
like
liar for
that.
true. You have people we help with free immigration, free liar we help with the
You can call
paperwork.
immigration to or say 8 o'clock in the morning, because I call them and they tell me what to do, which paper to file, and immigration tell me what to do. And then me call them, me tell me situation, and tell me what to do. So you can call them too if you don't want to ask somebody if you do not know. You can call them because I call them and they email me all of the forms that I need. So they're not as bad as people think. Question on me to ask and they cannot stop it from.
But I level, me no feel say them are your friend like that, you know what I mean? Cause them not really want you in the country, them want to kick you out of the country. So, you know, I would go to them for advice, I would go to maybe a lawyer or something like that, pay a consultant fee and talk to them and whatever. You see me? But, as me say, the people them in the Ivan corner, them kind of help her feel in the position where she in. You see me? Me not lie. Because them could have talked to her and said no, although Destiny was one of the person where did I tell her, I say, don't go to the youth yard. I mean, know say right now, she must regret that. Say, you know what I mean? Like, she should have listened what Destiny I tell her, I say. And the friend where help her get the youth address, me know say she maybe feel some type of way right now. You know what I mean? Maybe she did be a friend to her and feel like say boy she a help her out because she want to be such a friend to her. She make she do the wrong thing, lead her in the wrong direction just because she want to get close to her as a friend. She now go tell her no if she look on her side way. She tell her, okay, may I help you get the so alright, you know what I mean? Help her get the address. And she reach at the youth yard and mash up the youth things. No, she in a trouble because of that. You see me? So I know say that friend there right now must feel some type of way. And if those same friend have nothing to do with like the baby, them have to mind what them a do, yeah man. Because them we end up getting in trouble also. We yes we help on a friend and you know what I mean, we understand our situation because we don't want to see no mother at all carry them youth for much months and then the father just come in and take away the youth completely. And America is them more go for the woman. You see me? So that never did go happen. As much as how we want to do it, it never did go happen. So Ivan never did have to worry about how we taking the youth completely away from her. The only thing is that if we get joint custody with you, that are the only thing. So all of the things them what she do, I try, you know what I mean, get him out of the youth life. It never necessary. You understand me I say? She should have just let him in the youth life and everything would have be okay.
Call them, them tell me some need this a farm and them email me
All them would have said them
They're
can't
supposed to give you
assist you with
advice
that type of
anyways.
question, and that's it.
Exactly.
Because even if them turn you down, them are going to write and tell you them reason why them turn you down.
Lady P, put on pink if you sleep now, no?
No, make you see
I can't bother with you now, man.
I'm a support company, leave her alone.
You just work pinky like one little baby when you know
When I
whether
come up
that
on the
gambling
live,
house.
me fright no me I say, and when Lady P have baby, no sir. I wish family did there.
You have to just understand Lady P. If you don't understand Lady P, you withdraw far from that. You have to just understand.
No liar now go help her. God I go do it.
Yeah, God I go do it, man.
What might to condemn a son liar can't help her? God
She
can
make enough
help
money
her.
on TikTok. Now, at this point, it got hard for liar help her.
God I go do it though.
Me
We
not
all
say
have to see her road. I come right back in America.
You see people go Walmart what if and then get green card, my love, so me not say that you never can tell.
Never.
You never
Yeah.
can. Me see all
Never
man
say
come, me say,
never.
true. Me see man come with fake passport and immigration, find out say fake, and they lie, wave it. Me never know say you can wave them, something them love, and then getting green card.
Yep.
Liar, wave your fake passport, wave them, the amount of waiver exists. That's why I go to have liar, no, cause if you don't know you lie, them know for you, my love. You lie, them know them are wicked, them know for do.
Nothing is impossible when it comes on to immigration. I should have killed nobody. Should have bombed down them place.
So it can work out, but based on them are going to dig up background in Jamaica and that one of the biggest things.
No, man, it got hard. Listen, it hard for them send her home. Yeah? It's not just easy, so.
What listen now, them are going to dig up background. Remember say when you have the asylum of VAWA, if make to say have clean record, they cannot prove that you're the problem.
If she go home and she tap out and send home herself.
No, you can't say that. I'm telling you, what you're doing, if you see VAWA and asylum, there are two serious cases. Once you're doing those cases and you have to prove that you're not the problem. If you prove that you're the problem, they can send you home. It doesn't matter what you're filing from, honey. As long as they realize that you are the problem, they not go, they can. There's nothing.
Lady P.
So what happened? Jamaica they still
Not a country or
yes.
something.
If
Lady
you're not,
P.
alright, when you do VAWA, when you're in a country for less than 2 years, you have to send to Jamaica for background check.
Lady P, remember say have some.
You have to send to Jamaica for a background check if you're in the country for less than 3 years. So anything you do in Jamaica can be used against you up here.
And we all know say Ivani have a bad track record. So me I say she have a bad track record in Jamaica. And me hear people are saying she do a lot in Jamaica and them things say should have come going to the US and do better, seeing that she get a new scene and she get a chance to, you know what I mean, like wipe her thing clean and start over back. And it's like she come back in a country with the same attitude and behavior. But as I said earlier on about people and social media, is like some of them just create a thing for always keep fans tuning in and coming back. You understand? So maybe that a fear way if you kinda hold on upon our fans them, me no know. And the King has share situation. What day I miss King on the live and he must say, yo, if you no want forward, you know just link me very like, you know what I mean? Him want help anybody in Jamaica for forward. And when you're up on the internet, you have to be careful what you do. You understand? As the people them say them could have in the country and nobody don't know certain things. But them choose to come talk it out, and for them situation the other day me did do one video and I ask about the situation because I did really want to know what the issue, you see me. But you have some people where them want to fly out, you know what I mean? You know them people like America, the place where everybody want to see, them want to go there even one time. You understand? But you will go there and find out say, yo, what you think it was and a hit. something totally different. You know what I mean? So you might get even disappointed. Me I tell you. You see me, because people feel like say the luxury life did it and a weight put on for them. But when them see the reality, when them reach, and nothing like where them sip on TV and them wear it. So that kind of give them a, you know what I mean, a wake up call, wake up to reality. Say, yo, you can be okay any which part in the world you're there. You can die your country, you know, if you go to other country, if you go try live that type of lifestyle. Because I don't like say from as you go over there, you go live the lifestyle. You know how much people them a work all long and certain lifestyle them can't live. And at that are the reason why them did want to go other place there in the first place. You know what I mean? If you have a good job and you're alright a yard, I would advise you to stay there. I mean, nah lie. If you get a thing can go over there and come back, that are the real way. You know what I mean? Just go visit and come back and look on the place and something. You know what I mean? But some people them just risk them entire life at Jamaica and go there so. You know what I mean? And it don't work out. Oh, them think it did go work out. So I go watch some more, then we go over to the
Remember, say you have disability. No man in a immigration, Jamaican records use against you, man. Because if you're not charged at Jamaica, they might use it too.
Hey, can we even know that? After
Yep.
But
That's
at the
why when
same
you
time,
fill out the documents, you have to state whether you get arrested in a Jamaica and for what, because they might go down there go investigate. You know, say immigration have access to Jamaica criminal records.
No, they have.
Okay.
It depends on the crime, but like simple things they cannot dig it up like that. Like if you are killing them something there, yes. But if simple crime, they can't just dig it up. But you have to fingerprint and send it go down and then send it back up here to them. Because that's what the power entitled. You have to do a fingerprint and send it down and then send a record come up here to them. They can't just dig it up like that. No, it's not that simple.
No man, I fingerprint. Remember say we don't really fingerprint everything at Jamaica like that, you know, you understand?
So they can't just go next and say, oh, you
No man, anything with up your fingerprint, anything with up your fingerprint, anything with up your fingerprint at Jamaica, once you come up here and it's still up on there, it are gonna show. Once immigration something there, if it not get expunged or if it not get dismissed or thrown out or whatever or sealed, immigration are gonna pick it up. And Jamaica system incompetent, because when you think say your case throw, it's still up on your fingerprint down there. And I like
but we
up here
have
when
no
you
the,
say something.
But I'm
we have
saying
no
you
that
still have to
can
do
be
a
dealt with
fingerprint
too.
and send it down. For them fingerprint up here, so does not do anything. You have to do two different fingerprints.
Somebody say and police record. Then your fingerprint up your police record, baby, you never know that.
You do a fingerprint and you send it down to Jamaica and them send back up your result, come and show them your record up and show them the record. So you have to do VAWA, you have to do two. Unless you're in the country for 3 years, then you don't require to do two fingerprint, two background check. And you have to do back, if me tell you something with VAWA now, if you got prison one time,
If them smart enough, that should be the least.
if you got prison one time, you're not getting no VAWA. I could have one time, when I be thief, you did book your tour, as long as you did go one time, you did your VAWA case, dash way. You know why? Them are going to say the problem. Me never did know that one woman in the group do it and them son them deport her, them did the VAWA and deport her and a week to get locked up for. So once you get locked up one time, then just one no say you get one time locked up, you're done for. Them are going to say you are the problem.
But Lady P, if you're smart enough,
moral
character, deal with the thing. If them smart enough, that can be dealt with.
It depends. It depends because you have waiver, but it all depends on how
But you know what kill a fingerprint now? Face
Uh-huh.
recognition. And that them I use America for catch people and criminal easy without touch you.
My friend, I can't believe. I think so all the car business they done with.
And the baby no mean to go. You know when you press charge because he want the baby.
Want to see the
That's
baby.
why that's why go press charge. You know somebody.
And the fucking idiot people them I go talk about say when in do all of this, in that make it worse in now go see the baby like saying I have DNA. Them
Get a
fool I see.
DNA and he might get the baby.
The fucking people them fool I see.
And the baby
And she if you stop make all you draw her out and incriminate her.
Yeah, and he might get the baby.
The fucking people them fool I see.
and the baby
And she if you stop make all you draw her out and incriminate herself.
I
Fucking
just hope
idiot.
all of this work out, and when she come out, they meet for mutual ground for the baby safe and get on with her life.
Not easy, King Mute your mic, you too up top. But me never like that part there. Look, them me never like that part they do.
Some teeth. Oh God, you know like the
King not easy, King Mute your mic, you too up top.
nah. Yes, the baby grandmother reach out to you. You get me? And I was sitting like for the baby grandmother.
Me never like that part there. Look, them me never like that part they do.
Baby some teeth. Oh God, you know like the baby fire no problem. But what the granny do? The granny do not tell the she just want get close to her.
Where's that time up woman and a breed and this in that is me and the mother.
And the woman attack up him say woman was so nice to her. The woman attack about all the next girl. I say me know about she. You get me? She was so nice. Pick me herself no man.
No matter what she did, so them that see me and the mother.
And she this woman in her VNs and me I say, what this never called for baby? Cause she was being nice, she just wanted to just communicate with her grandchild mother. You get me? She was building a relationship with you so she can have a children to the child. And you make mommy sit this and tie push up it could just hype it up. Which part of them now? King me come here now? Which part of them now? Which part of them they now? I'm your king there. I don't know where my brother feels my love. You get me? She make mommy sweet this entire boots are like supple joint.
I can't believe so the lady really give the girl the address.
Mommy sweetness in America much yes no. Mommy she knows America different from Jamaica. Them is the girl don't fall. Them a part her don't fall too because mommy sweetness a big woman. And she there a long time and knows America is just a country play. If you do something 20 years and you think you get to them can catch you when you're 100 and lock you up same way. Mommy sweetness know that and she just
the girl have a waiting background from Jamaica, troubled background from Jamaica. You really give the girl address if you go do foolish?
They're bad influence. Mommy sweetness and tires are bad influence. I don't care if they want to concuss, but it's the truth. They're bad influence also. Because they've been in the country long before me and Ivan. They know the rules. They know the ropes. Not because they didn't on the paper. That does not mean you don't have the right to the child. Oh, Ivan, make you see baby can have right. He does have right. When the baby in the belly never give nothing, so what? That time he was not sure that it was his. So now he's sure that it is and he want to take a part in the child life. Make him take a part, no? It takes two to mingle and two to create a child. Yes, when you're pregnant, he was not there. Who faulted it? We're so quick to forget because we're all Jamaicans and we think that
she had a problem. I said it wasn't. She had a problem. I said when she have a baby, him still not support. That was her problem too.
Oh, comes in now. Oh, that is a lie. You know what I say lie? Remember, say she have a baby, she didn't follow it, you know. And she have a baby, she throw him out of the hospital and say she don't want him back there. So did he get a chance to give? Did he get a chance to give anything? Did he get a chance to say, okay, I'm going to be in the child life and contribute? He did not get a fair chance to contribute nothing because we're going, that money just be too sweet. He did not get a chance.
I couldn't get a chance to come over and sex. Me have to sweet him up and take him money.
Lady P.
Salon.
Lady P, them people are fucking wicked because then she said the boy have fight for in pit in life and Ivan and I give the chance and yet them are going to be wicked and say the boy now maintain the baby with them wicked.
Oh, you didn't get a chance? Did you get a chance?
The boy knocked on the door 100 times and Ivan is now opening it.
I think everything was left when CPS got involved.
Why did he call CPS? Why did he call your drink? When you get a belly, you drink Pepsi.
People, the brother here, he might talk some things. Me did I say this all along, say yo, this youth here, I'm determined for in him youth life, him determined. Him say no matter what, him a go in him youth life and Ivan is determined to keep him out of the youth life. Me just a wonder, where this youth do so, that is so bad, that him not supposed to run him youth. Where him do so? Don't tell me in the comment section. Because if he mean okay, I don't say mean. And that's why me say, you say if you have a picnic with a person, you don't get to know each other first because you know that know how this person stay and decide say, oh, you know, say me not get no youth with that person, yeah. Be with the person for a while till you know the person, then you go get a youth together. That are the mistake where the two of them make. It's what I say. And this youth, yeah, him mean yes, but him did a try to be in him youth life. I mean, know say if him did in him youth life, whenever him get him youth to stay with him would have do things You see me? And then one at the time, Ivan, they did a flaunt money in a way. I say, yo, me have my money, rare. So maybe him a look on that and I say, yo, this girl here make how much money more than me. Wait, me not give her my money, whatever. I would have more money from she. You see me? Because I look like say that you love when a woman give him things. You see me? Love sweets. But this youth here, me just wonder when him do so. That's the big woman them in a Ivan in life where could a teach her things or two about parenting and co-parenting. Why them stand up so strong not to let this youth in the picnic life. You see me I say, when him do so wrong? You know what I mean? Me understand say yes, maybe him never stand up when him did for stand up with her and them way there. And she maybe feel a way to how him deal with whatever situation. But remember them did at odds right through the pregnancy, even when the picnic born them at odds. You understand me I say? So me feel like say the people them around Ivan what she listen to, them feel her. You see me? Them feel her. So we're gonna watch a little bit of this some more and then we'll go over to the next thing.
After the baby was born. No, after the baby was born. The night after the baby was born.
Remember, say the girl have
that's
her
when
big belly and
everything
I
went
drink rum.
left.
A rum or a wine she a drink. Champagne. One of
Why
them.
did he call CPS that night? Why?
They might have some argument about
Friend diapers and we all know say for me son should have dashed them. Stop
Oh,
working
wait,
them
wait.
out. Friend what? Much time she should go dash them if you said nothing come there. So stop it. You know, stop it and stop collecting. Me not talk down pan her, but how many times did the girl she should go through them way? The mother reached out and said she wants to send things. What did she say? What did she say to the mother? The mother wanted to fill in the gap for the baby.
Wow.
Lady P a style for the baby, you know.
It's like
Jamaicans
she
are
want.
so to forget every single thing. I'm not coming on my fellow Jamaican, but it's not the truth.
It's
Lady
like she
P
want
want the
money in
baby
her
back.
hand, but at the big auntie, them not giving her money in them hands, so me love. Like how the Jamaican baby father them would have come around and give her money in your hand.
Oh, the knife is when he called. So why did she draw a knife? What happened? Why she draw the knife the night? What happened?
They were arguing about something. I can't remember. And she was.
So I think that night there when she draw the knife, him did dip on the phone with the girl. You see me I say? And he must show the girl, send picture of the baby or video or whatever to the girl, and the girl did downstairs in the car and wait upon him and she go live and that the trigger off Ivani. Make Ivani draw for the knife. You see me I say? So we're gonna go over to the next, you know, my people. Don't make me know what you think. We'll go over to the next.
Just reached Donny and over 10 yard. Cause you see this will come now. Me did want it done before I actually start live my life in my house. You know, I never cuss about this from me in here. From a come down here, from a reach down here, if you not see this, that means you just want something for bring me down. From me reach a blood clot Jamaica, it's all about me, Kingston, and my blood clot money. From me reach down at this, you know, I not even have time for meds me own blood clot, man. I be a selling and thing me dey pan. Every day me I sell. If me not sell, me I do delivery. I'm so fucking tired since I reached down here. I want a time 10 there beside me and I better touch me. I'm not even feel him touch. It that blood clot bad. Me na eye glass, you know. And when I make my decision, you know, I never did get up with all a TikTok, you know. Me get up my friend them. And then me tell me raw truth people them. So this constantly in no one gone pan. 10 left her, cause she come to Jamaica now. Let me tell you something more. Let me tell you something what me know about man. I'm never ever act naive to man ever. My maybe is a loud mouth. I'm maybe nicey. I'm maybe lovey-dovey. I maybe sometimes love the wrong blood clot person wrong, right? But me not naive a blood clot. You see when boy want fuck pan you, not my world cannot stop them. Cause man don't tell themselves that them are go. If man living on a blood clot house, want a baby father, and uno and him sleep on the same bed every blood clot night, and him fuck on you, who the fuck is at that him tell himself, so at that him a go do, and nothing at all where you do can't change that. And me know a blood clot that. Can enough of uno in a comment section and go like uno want come bring me down and class me. Uno man living on a blood clot house and him a fuck the girl 2 house down and you're not gonna away bitch. Go suck your mad up off of me. Hey, no make me get mad down here no cause me must say me head chip. A long time me head not chip on a situation. Yeah, me just start look for the name in a blood clot comment section and start pay some people for no blood clot information and make it my wireless blood clot dream and come loud out to no blood clot information pan this. Don't fuck up and don't ramp with me cause me not fuck with none of you know. Cause enough of uno in a comment section who are bring down blood clot people. Uno life miserable and blood clot and happy. 100,000,000 times worse than me. A big pussy girl them in a ear just a shop and feel like say uno want a conference for no people blood clot name. Hey girl, you shouldn't stand up over nobody head a blood clot chat me. Cause you don't know where your man do. You shouldn't have your none of uno should not have work so blood clot yard if you not sure about on a blood clot man them. If you're sure about your man, you should not work so hard. You should not slave about your blood clot self in a shop. A chat blood clot me. And me bring down on a blood clot. Don't ramp with me, you know. You don't come about me, you know, because I'm not trouble none of you, you know. Every morning me come and this come sell my blood clot air freshener and me cangle them and me tight suit them from a rich done at this. Me look like me a meds blood clot hood. You see the whole on jump on my blood clot backward here. Yeah. Why she moved the baby to Jamaica? Why she come to Jamaica? She come for watch man. She come for watch man. And what do you see same pussy somehow know? Somehow know. What did that why this and why that? Like me did ask of your blood clot donation. Your name Judith? Your name blood clot Jamila? Your name Ava? Your name Chrissy? Bitch, me the ask of your donation when me a come and ask our KJ for your housewarming blood clot gift. It's same one I want to bring down my blood clot baby and say done and can't talk and all of this and all of that. Me soon in a blood clot comment section, but Jamaica was like, hey girl, go suck your mother and come tell me no Jamaica. It's not blood clot good choice. Me the ask if you make no blood clot choice me. Me make my choice them in a life. I feel my blood clot feel. I'm a blood clot brush myself off and try again. I see any how me succeed that me do something and me not succeed. Me suck a blood clot again. I just saw. Make people like Chanel them talk. Make people like Chanel talk. We pick him up from school at daytime and she have him till how much o'clock. Make a teacher them over blood clot school talk. Why help him for identify him name? Cause 2 name them did call him a blood clot school. Make Miss Campbell talk. Make Auntie Jody talk. Only no come blood clot talk. Come only go on the surface of my life. Not life. No know the blood clot depths of it.
Boy, people, you see, more while if you can just avoid, you know what I mean, certain things. Me did I go say something, but me not go say it. Like, me I say, like, if you can keep people out of your life, keep them out of it. But she's a public person, a public figure, you know what I mean? She do her TikTok and them something there, so eventually people are going to see which part she did. You know what I mean? And these persons on the internet, as well, she said, enough of them now live the life what she live, but them have comments about her life. And nothing wrong with this woman moving to Jamaica. You see, make enough people that are foreign would have love to move back to Jamaica, you know. But them not make it in a life yet. Them not have the funds to move back to Jamaica. You know what I mean? Enough time the cola beat them a foreign and they getting up early and I got work that I beat them a foreign. And if you find a man at Jamaica, nothing wrong. If you come at Jamaica cause you can flex, you're flexible them way the way you can come at Jamaica, come spend even a year or two with the man and get to live with him or something, because a lot of women come at Jamaica, you know what I mean? Them fly down every couple months or a year, come at Jamaica, come spend a week or two with the man, and them just have that vacation relationship there. Them not live together to find out if them really compatible or just, you know what I mean, the little love it will be part of the relationship certain way. So moving closer to your person where you are deal with, nothing wrong with that. You get your regular top up when you come to your bedroom, you know what I mean? You see them, you know what I mean? You closer, you get to learn each other better. So nothing wrong with that. So where the people them come with, I just saw people stay. You know what I mean? And she have to know, say, yo, no watch them, do your thing. Because you see, if you watch people in a life, you never reach nowhere. If you think about what am I going to think if me do this, what am I going to think if me do that, you never reach nowhere in a life. As long as you are working at the confine of the law, you see me, and morally you're in at the right place, nothing wrong with what you do what you do, make your life happy. You see me, I say, if a man she come down here for their own, nothing wrong with it. I the woman man, so why you concerned to who know? I the woman man. You see me, I say, so we could hear some more people.
And one thing me know and two things for certain now. I have a good blood clot pussy. I just can't suck out. Cause I never born for suck blood out. I born for skin out my good pussy ever wet for good fuck. Hey, I who send lion man. I want to cool man. Put the bill no man. Who wanna make me smile? Two me lip them blood clot big no things that me I go walk and suck be a hood. Now boy can't have me as no suck hood girl. You have got tell me say me love fuck. I rather boy call me a fucky fuck than a suck clot girl. Cooley one blood clot Cooley with our white liver.
Me nah lie, still more you have to learn to suck the something, you know what I mean? Cause that's the way of the world right now. You see me? Yeah. So you have to learn look at head action. You see me? I say even if you just watch some blues and practice, you see me, cause you have to have that head action there. You know what I mean? You don't know how the world stay, you know. Me personally, if me have a woman, you see me, and she now give me the head action, me just feel like say she have a different man I give the head action. You see me? Although enough woman really in them something there, but me not gonna believe you. You see me? You have to give me it. You see me? I say, me not go live without, if you want to keep your man certain way, although not every man require that. You see, but me go watch some more.
But the compound this the blood clot suck cocky. The only thing a girl can do right now is suck with a man. Cause me not decide to put no line on my blood clot throat. Me can't mash up my vice box. The amount you have to load right blood clot throat. For no fan you can't hear. You're crazy. So no long cocky boy now mash up my throat back. And my throat box allow no tell. So a girl who can suck out and lick balls and goggle no blood clot, you can go on with him, can me blood clot that. I'm tired of some blood clot you know. Me is not a so good girl. But me can tell you say, you go fuck me till today, tomorrow and the next blood clot day, because I'm always ready for hood in my me is that girl. Remember me live a blood clot, white, purple and green, every color. I have a rainbow blood clot liver. Me ready for every season of fuck. The only time me no fuck, I'ma wait 1, 3, 4 days before me fuck. I want the pussy and mash up. Good. I remember we no carry stink pussy. So you have to make your pussy breathe. You you go fuck. Boy never tell me about that yet. Some man don't know if breeze out on a dirty. For last year period, I don't know a fuck. No matter, you can't come but me tell you, you know, top trouble me, you know. Top trouble me. Top trouble me. You saw me a war, no no. You saw fat long me a stay far from blood clot, Odo. Let go my blood clot shirt now, man. Yeah, Jamila preach, don't know. Many people then call security.
Security.
Me not see nobody a screen record. Me not see nobody a screen record say, "Okay, come to Jamaica and she come with one piece of selling business." Screen record blood clot that no. Screen record say from me come and be a sell, me a sell. Screen record say me wake up out of my bed 6 o'clock for carry my baby got blood clot school. Screen record that. Screen record blood clot that. Screen record say me come a blood clot Jamaica, me make myself comfortable. Me come a Jamaica, me buy up my blood clot things them and me not depend on no man. Screen record my money where my blood clot spend in here. Screen record blood clot this. Screen record so me come and me buy a blood clot nice bedroom set. And me come again and me buy one bed for my blood clot son too. Screen record blood clot that. So me gonna screen record that. Screen record all I things them wanna see me I do for my blood clot self. Screen record that now. Screen record on me and make me skin my blood clot self comfortable. I'ma buy 2-door fridge cause that me used to a blood clot foreign. I'ma buy my washing machine cause that me used to a blood clot foreign. I'ma put my microwave up there so cause that me used to a blood clot foreign. You see me come down here and live now Husky do blood clot life and I worry about cocky and man. Hey me robot to no blood clot, yeah? You don't come about blood clot me. Alright. Me need a foreign blood clot life and I come set back my foreign blood clot life how I want it. What I say? What blood clot say? It hurt to no so I can't use nothing and bring down my blood clot. So at least look at 10-10 argument and how to know a blood clot run with. Me just come down here. Me reach down here blood clot is 16 a blood clot march. Today how much? I'm going to buy every blood clot thing for myself. So me come down here with a plan. Me come down here with my blood clot plan. It's 16 a March, me come a blood clot Jamaica. I'm going to buy every blood clot thing for myself. Me come here with a plan. I'm now make uno, make me stray from my blood clot plan. And if not found never blood clot no. Since you don't want me do this. Me could do this. Do this and blood clot beat me. Where there? What this say? What this blood clot say? Me say look and read blood clot good. What this say? The United States of a blood clot America. See, I see me done here and things now work out. Me can't sell out every blood clot things. What this say? The United States of a blood clot America. So me never waste no blood clot time. So anyhow me come down here and done here not working the fuck out. Me sell the blood clot bed, me sell it. Me sell the bed, me sell the blood clot fridge, and me sell every mama blood clot thing. And me got me bomber clot yard. It's simple. It's simple. It's blood clot simple. Coming on done. The first partner, my blood clot you and beer hungry and I gonna dance. When you see me that fine, I'm not gonna dance. See there? I make sure I save my blood clot money them. For my TikTok and my partner, I'm gonna buy my blood clot car. I'm gonna make sure I can live in a good scheme with gated place. Cause none never come husky do out me and try blood clot rob me and bring me down. Come lick out me and my blood clot son. It hurt, you know. It hurt blood clot, you know. So you don't have nothing at all for bring me down. And that bun no. So I feel like so I can use 10 name and ride for my back. Morning, noon, and night. I'm tired of blood clot uno now. A blood clot wa. Me not supposed to company up and have no fun. And me make no fun no fuck. And I fuck out to no. And I walk and I suck be a cat. I still can't move from the bed with no head. No fun don't even have a plan. No fun don't have a blood clot plan. You think me that waste time when me I do my nursing work? You think me waste people money when they send it come give me on TikTok? Me want Auntie Juliet and me want Cooley and Jamil and the rest of you know. And the people them will send me blood clot gift. Said to me, say, at least she never waste my one. Come lick out my blood clot and lift up off of me. And me make you know a fuck from Jesus was a boy and me still not have nothing kind of fuck now me blood clot sense. Me never fuck my show. Yeah, me come blood beg but nothing wrong. Cause me beg and me receive and me put it to blood clot use. And I just start at it. See,
and people on a level, you don't know she do America, and you have a bag of bills to pay. You see me I say? And if she finds say she can make the same amount where she make America or Jamaica and pay less bills, she save more. So it's a wise move. You see me I say? It's not a foolish idiot move. It's a wise move on many different levels. You see me? So enough of them people, yeah, them just a go comment, and you have to understand say people a go comment. Enough time people have a bad day and them want to get under your skin too. So them comment something to get under your skin for you have a bad day, like oh them having a bad day. You see me I say I even a bad life same way. You see me? So people, we go watch some more right and then we go end it.
I want to buy my car. I want to furnish out my blood clot house. I don't worry about cocky. I don't pay down pan who don't fuck. Who don't fuck can help me. Because I can't tell you this. They say it's a one pussy kill. Come and clot go. Yeah, you could have love till you can't love no more. When you're done, your blood clot done.
Alright, some people, alright, just some me go in. Let me know what you think in the comment section.